say a word. They've all been said before, you know. So why do we just play pretend like we're not scared what is coming next? Or scared of having nothing left. Look, don't get me where I know there is no tomorrow. Oh, I see this. This is my last night with you. Hold me like I'm more than just